Let's go. Listen close to the pavement. Can you feel the vibration? Look me in the eye, plant your feet down. We own the territory, we own this town. The bass is moving upward, from the heel to the heart. Don't wait for the signal, this is where we start. Power in the collective, moving as a single unit. The air is getting heavy and we are going through it. Building up the energy, pushing through the crowd. Pushing through. Make it loud. The stomp, hit the floor. The stomp, give me more. The stomp, give me more. One beat, one motion, like a heavy ocean. The stomp, right now. The stomp. Show 'em how. One pulse, one fire, taking us higher. Forget the talk outside, this circle is the truth. Muscle against the rhythm, we don't need no proof. Working like a hammer, striking on the nail. This kind of connection will never ever fail. No more hesitation, let the movement take control. Every single person got that rhythm in their soul. Building up the energy, pushing through the crowd. Pushing through. Make it loud. Check the rhythm. Left foot heavy, right foot steady. Hit it again, again. Now everybody in unison. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now bring it back. Keep it moving. Don't you stop. Stomp, stomp. Feel the power. The stomp, yeah. The stomp. One pulse, one motion. The stomp. The stomp, 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 stomp. Let's go. Listen close to the pavement. Can you feel the vibration? Look me